can bidding strategy affect the conversion efficiency in the longer run? I believe it can. We just took over an account this week, and they had a lot of campaigns where the bidding was up and down. It's going to work well if your bid is going to be lower. However, if the bid is high already and you're going to have the strategy bid up and down, clearly you have no more control on CPC. Yesterday it was still bid up and down, and then around 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock p.m. EDT time, we changed that to down only. And right now we are seeing that we're attracting less visibility. So when it comes down to conversion efficiency, I do believe that Amazon is going to look out for promoting your product whenever you're like, okay, here is my money, Amazon, take it. So I do believe that up and down as a strategy is going to bring more eyeballs, but the end, it's depending on the strategy. And for this account, there was a lot of bleeding that was not addressed. A down-only strategy allows us to become way more profitable on our end. The next part is creating new campaigns. So by creating new campaigns, again, it's bid down only strategy, but we have a higher CPC and we are showcasing our ads on the top of search first placement for the most important keywords that we want to rank for. I'm seeing that as a more viable strategy.